In this video, I'll show you how to change Grok AI settings in 2026. First, open Grok AI on your computer and log in to your account. Once you are inside the main interface, look for your profile icon, account menu, or settings option. Click on the settings option to open the available preferences. The exact options may vary depending on the current Grok interface, platform, and account type. One of the first things you may want to check is the appearance settings. If Grok provides appearance or theme options, you can choose the interface style that works best for you, such as a light or dark appearance. You may also find settings related to notifications, privacy, personalization, or other account preferences. Open each available section and review the options carefully before making changes. If you want to customize how Grok responds to you, look for any available personalization or preference features. Depending on the current version of Grok, these settings may allow you to provide information about your preferred response style or other relevant preferences. You should also review privacy and data-related settings. If Grok provides controls for conversation history, personalization, or data usage, read the descriptions carefully and select the options that match your preferences. If you are using Grok through a browser, remember that some settings may be controlled by your browser rather than Grok itself. For example, browser permissions, notifications, cookies, and site settings can affect how the service works. After changing a setting, check whether you need to save your changes. Some settings may apply automatically, while others may require confirmation.